your boy PR. Finna drop some more hot shit. You know I put it on the book before I ever even put it on the track. You know, shout out to my nigga Action the Camera, man. What it do, my nigga? US the Post, man. And my nigga Jack Frost, you know. Shout out to them niggas. I fuck with them niggas a long way. Finna drop this shit, man. Y'all tell me how y'all like it. Y'all already know I'ma come with that heat every time. Let's get it poppin'. Well, first off, ain't nothing about me bullshit. 13 outside, posted with a full clip. Granny steady calling me, but I ain't tryna hear shit. Tryna catch my next sale, worrying about this new bitch. New Jordan just dropped, plus I need a new fit. Tryna cop a new bracelet just to make my wrist glitz. All I wanted was a Joe Gino with my pocket stick. Hustling on the corner, tryna make it off a half a sip. And the fiend steady asking questions, is it real or not? Cause I got the biggest racks, so they finna spin a lot. At all costs, I break down, they all balls. Whether it's off or hard, I bet my niggas, I get it all. Police tryna knock me off, bitches want me knock 'em up. I'm just tryna catch a nut while my pockets getting stuffed. So move along, my age grown, no safe phone. So I just squeeze the bullet, squeeze you like aprons. Turn it Halloween, no trick or treat, just a mask on. Just bust shots, the heads drop like a bass song. My shit drop, that's hot shit, first and last song. I ain't gon' stop till I murder every last owner, every home that lost someone to the dope and murder game. It's just that shit that we live in, it's just a thuggin' thing. My cousin died to this shit, I swear I miss him, man. Fizz, I know you hear me, I got it, the whole family, man. If I get the shot, I won't drop it like I was Anderson. They tryna jam me like I was targeted in Afghanistan. Bullets used for the measurement, death over the innocent. Government signed businesses, niggas used as the guinea pig. I'm just tryna be bigger than whoever they mentioning. Give my name love like Benjamin dodging sentences. Carbon copied ass, the niggas wanna be images. Beat his ass and take the pics, spit on his images. Never trust a man who lie to your face on business tips. Never go half on a bitch unless you know she get. Never put your friends in your love life for your arguments. Pressure buzz pipes, I'm telling you, they'll start some shit. Hop up out that convertible, bullets to murder you. Your family probably disowned you, bumping like 92 fucking. Nah, man, that's all I'ma give y'all. Y'all tell me how y'all like that shit, man. Real talk, all I do is go hard, man. Like I said, shout out Act Right, my nigga US and my nigga Frost, man. Till then, nigga, I catch you niggas later.